make, taste, rate, where we test viral recipes for you. Today's recipe was going to be the pink champagne cake, and I even bought a bottle of champagne, and there's a story behind this that I would like to share with you later. But first of all, I came across an article where Ryan Gosling was promoting his new movie project Hail Mary, and he was talking on the late night show with Seth Meyers. While they were talking, Ryan spotted the wardrobe dresser Donna Richards, who had been sneaking Pop-Tarts in while he was filming, and he was saying how delicious they were. And the name of Donna's sister's shop is the Cake Shop Bakery in Tallahassee. So that got me thinking how easy it is to make Pop-Tarts. So I found a recipe that's had thousands of views. So, is it easy to make Pop-Tarts? Is it worth it? Let's make it! These are the ingredients that you'll need. 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, tablespoon of granulated sugar, and a 1/2 teaspoon of table salt, one cup of unsalted butter, for her secret ingredient, 1/2 cup of sour cream. Put that in the fridge to chill. For the strawberry filling, the recipe says to combine 1/4 cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of corn flour, 8 ounces of strawberries, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, and 1/2 tablespoon of butter. Place it on the heat until it becomes a jam consistency. You will find the name of the creator in the credit at the end of this video. Cutting 2.5 by 4 inch rectangles as per the recipe. Give it a thumbs up if you are enjoying this video. Assemble the pastry rectangles on a baking tray as per the recipe. Top with the jam filling and brush with egg wash and crimp with a fork. Please let us know in the comments if you have ever made Pop-Tarts. The creator of this recipe states that hers are better than those in a box. They're not perfect, but they're going in the oven for 15 to 17 minutes. Into the oven they go. Making the icing with 1.5 cups of powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons of milk, 1 tablespoon of light corn syrup, which is optional, and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Tarts are ready. They look good and smell divine. Now to allow them to cool before adding the icing. Don't forget to add the sprinkles. And they look delicious. I think Ryan Gosling would like them, do you think, cameraman Steve? Ooh, look at that. I'll try a bit. Very jammy. Quite nice actually. Yeah, I can see why the Americans like it. Nice with a cup of tea. Here you go, cameraman Steve. Nice.
Delicious.
Thanks for watching. This was a fun one to do. Now for the verdict. The Pop-Tarts were a little bit sweet, but that is just our opinion. I scored this recipe a 7 out of 10. Cameraman Steve scores this recipe a 6.5 out of 10. For a bit of fun and for the sweet tooth, we would say this recipe is worth it. Anyway, back to the story of the pink champagne. So I went to the local liquor store to purchase the bottle and asked the guy behind the counter, does he have any pink champagne? And he had a French accent. And he asked me, is it for cooking? And I'm thinking, yes it is for cooking, but perhaps it's for drinking too. We will be making the pink champagne cake. So join me next time. See you later.